Top questions asked during vendor calls and interviews for a Java developer with 8+ years of experience. 1. Can you provide an overview of your Java development experience? 2. What programming languages and technologies do you specialize in besides Java? 3. Have you worked on both front-end and back-end development in Java? 4. Can you explain the principles of object-oriented programming, OOP, and how they apply to Java? 5. Have you used any Java IDEs, integrated development environments, such as Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA? 6. How do you ensure code quality and maintainability in your Java projects? 7. Can you describe your experience with version control systems, such as Git? 8. Have you worked with any Java web frameworks like Spring MVC or Java Server Faces, JSF? 9. What is your approach to designing scalable and efficient Java applications? 10. Can you explain the concept of multithreading in Java and how you have utilized it in your projects? 11. Have you worked with any Java testing frameworks other than Junit? 12. How do you handle exceptions and error handling in Java applications? 13. Can you explain the concept of dependency injection and how it is implemented in Java frameworks like Spring? 14. Have you integrated any Java applications with third-party APIs or web services? 15. Can you describe your experience with Java performance tuning and optimization techniques? 16. Have you used any Java messaging systems like Apache Kafka or RabbitMQ? 17. Can you explain the concept of design patterns and how they are applied in Java development? 18. How do you ensure security in Java applications, especially regarding data protection and authentication? 19. Have you worked on any projects involving Java-based microservices architecture? 20. Can you describe your experience with Java concurrency utilities, such as locks and synchronized blocks? 21. How do you approach code reviews and collaborate with other developers in a team environment? 22. Have you worked on any projects involving Java integration with databases like MySQL or MongoDB? 23. Can you explain the concept of RESTful web services and how you have implemented them in Java? 24. Have you used any Java logging frameworks like Log4j or SLF4j for application logging? 25. Can you discuss your experience with Java memory management and garbage collection? 26. Have you worked with any Java-based caching frameworks like AHCake or Hazelcast? 27. Can you explain the concept of OP, aspect-oriented programming, and how it can be implemented in Java? 28. Have you worked on any projects involving real-time data processing using Java? 29. Can you describe your experience with Java-based web application servers like Apache Tomcat or Jetty? 30. How do you handle data serialization and deserialization in Java applications? 31. Have you worked on any Java projects that involved machine learning or data analytics? 32. Can you discuss your experience with Java-based build automation tools like Apache Maven or Gradle? 33. Have you used any Java-based GUI frameworks like JavaFX or Swing? 34. Can you explain the concept of containerization and how it can be achieved using Java? 35. Have you implemented any Java-based solutions for caching or performance optimization? 36. Can you discuss your experience with Java-based XML processing and parsing? 37. Have you used any Java frameworks for dependency injection, such as Google Juice or CDI? 38. Can you describe your experience with Java-based web security frameworks like Spring Security? 39. Have you worked on any projects involving real-time messaging using Java and WebSocket technology? 40. How do you approach database migrations and versioning in Java applications? 41. Can you explain the concept of reactive programming and how it can be implemented in Java? 42. Have you used any Java-based testing frameworks for API testing, such as REST-assured or WireMock? 43. Can you discuss your experience with Java-based frameworks for batch processing, such as Spring Batch? 44. Have you worked on any projects involving Java integration with cloud platforms like AWS or Azure? 45. Can you describe your experience with Java-based frameworks for asynchronous programming, like Completable Future? 46. How do you handle data validation and input sanitization in Java applications? 47. Have you used any Java-based frameworks for data access and ORM, such as Hibernate or MBodies? 48. Can you explain the concept of event-driven architecture and how it can be implemented in Java? 49. Have you worked on any projects involving Java integration with message brokers like Apache Active? 50. How do you approach code documentation and ensure code readability in your Java projects? Comment if you need the answers. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.